Does he has to wait for 5 years to give his property to Waqf? Isn't that violation of right to freedom of religion? Sir, another point, sir. Now, no such provision exists for Hindu Endowment or Sikh Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee. Now, irony of the amendment, sir, is that non-Muslims can become member of CWC SWB, but he cannot dedicate Waqf. Arbitrage. Why is arbitrage? Sir, existing law protected the status of registered Waqf properties. You have replaced that. By empowering collector to determine title, you are violating principal rights of justice that one may not be a judge in their own cause. Section 61. If DM says to Mutawalli, make this masjid as a government property, if does not listen, punishable offence. This is against separation of powers, part of which is basic structure. This bill excludes tribunal decisions from being final. If collector has been replaced by tribunal, and who's going to sit in the tribunal? A retired government judge and a retired government employee. How can the nominee be a part of this composition, sir? In our...
Okay. आप डिटेल में बोल देना ऑफिसर।
सर मैं खत्म कर रहा हूँ। सेक्रेटरी लेवल ऑफिसर्स कैन बी अपॉइंटेड टेक्निकल मेंबर्स। 83 states that joint secretary added tribunal. Waqf properties, sir, are not public properties. By removing Waqf by user, this government wants to take over Dargah, Masjid and Waqf properties. Sir, take this example of 107. You have made it more difficult to be removed. Encroachment happens. Section 37 removes protection to Waqf properties. Section 40 prejudicial amendments. And the government is, sir, government बोल रही है, सर मैं खत्म कर रहा हूँ सर, आधा मिनट. गवर्नमेंट कह रहे हैं कि हम महिलाओं को दे रहे हैं. मुझे यकीन है कि आप बिल्किस बानो को और ज़किया जाफरी को मेंबर बनाएंगे. मुझे यकीन है. मैं आपसे जानना चाह रहा हूं सर कि ये जो आप बिल ला रहे हैं, आप देश को बांटने का काम कर रहे हैं, जोड़ने का काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. आप दुश्मन हैं मुसलमानों के, उसका सबूत ये बिल है. थैंक यू सर.